Hi guys, today I'm here to talk to you guys about the bad advices, the myth, things that you shouldn't do or things that you shouldn't even listen to at all from creators that advise you, on certain things, especially small creators, because the people capitalize on the fact that you guys are desperate, to get views. People are desperate to get, monetized and all that. So they give you guys a whole lot of bunch of nonsense advices that you don't even really need in the first place. And then most of you guys follow that, and then you are not growing. You hate your channel day in, day out, and you never understand the reason why. Don't worry, I'm here to debunk all of them and make sure that you are in the right path to monetization. Alright, without wasting much time, let's get into the video. First thing that really gives me the ache is when creators are telling people to go into their comment sections and show others love, support each other, subscribe for subscribe. It is very wrong. You should really want people to subscribe to your channel because they actually like your videos. The reason is because now, whenever you post a video, YouTube suggests your videos to those who have subscribed to your channel first. You get it? Now, if you have correct or original or organic subscribers, whenever you post a video and then they see your video, what are they going to do? They are just going to what? Click on your video and try to watch because they know you, they love your content. That is why they subscribed in the first place. You get it? But then if it's just a random person that just subscribed because you subscribe to their channel also, they naturally don't really like whatever your content is really about. And when that happens, whenever they see your recommended videos, they are just going to skip, and it's going to record as part of your click-through rates. You get it? Telling the algorithm that people are not really clicking on your video, and hence your video packaging in general is not good. Now, if you have not watched my video on video packaging and then also click-through rates, you can go and watch it there. I've put the link above here, so you can go and watch it. It is very, very important. Okay, this is the reason why you shouldn't do subscribe for subscribe. So rather try making very good videos, posting them out there, and making sure that people actually subscribe your channel because they love your videos and want to see more of them, or people find value in whatever videos that you are making. If it is entertainment, people are entertained with you, people like you. That is why, and not because some creator told you guys to subscribe to each other. And one other annoying thing is that most of the people don't even hold their end of the bargain. You subscribe to them and then they wait for 2 weeks and then come and unsubscribe back to all those they have subscribed to, because your thumbnails or your videos that they are seeing on their page whenever they open their YouTube, they don't like them, so they will unsubscribe to you, so they stop seeing them. You get it? And when this happens, it keeps on reducing your click-through rates, and then it keeps on reducing your growth as a creator. So as a small creator, you should just be interested in creating organic stuff. If it's subscribers, you want the real thing. You don't want any tricks to anything. You get it? All right. Now, another thing is also when people say subscribers don't really matter. Subscribers don't really matter. Yeah, it is very subjective though, because subscribers actually matter. The reason is because as a small channel, okay, coming up, when I, as a viewer, I'm scrolling on YouTube, I'm looking at videos, or when I search for something, I'm most likely going to click on the individual that has more subscribers or is having more views, 100,000 of views. You get it? As compared to you that has maybe 50 views or 100 views, because in my mind, if you were good enough, you wouldn't be having less views. You get it? The fact that a lot of people are watching you means that your channel is good. So I'm definitely going to gravitate towards the one that has more subscribers and then more views. You get it? So in this sense, it is sensible that you get more subscribers, more views. You get it? So sometimes if you can find ways, and don't go and do anything about follow for follow, like just really create very good videos that are really going to just ginger people to subscribe to your channels, videos that are going to make people to not be able to resist your channel. You get it? Yeah, so subscribers don't really matter though, because someone that has even 100 subscribers can actually get a viral video. You never know. There are lots of people who had maybe few subscribers, maybe less than 50 subscribers, and posted a video, and then their video made about hundreds of thousands of views. It happens, yeah. But then generally speaking, those situations are more like the rare ones. Those situations are the rare ones. You get it? So most of the time, a lot of people see your channels, see you with less views. That is why small creators find it difficult to get views or find it difficult to get higher click-through rates, because you are in competition with people that are doing way better than you are. So it just makes sense that they are going to get more views than you are going to get views, because no one is really going to click on your video and leave someone who has about 100,000 views or 100,000 subscribers. You get it? Yeah. So try and create very, very good videos so that you get more subscribers, videos that people cannot resist but just click, and let your video packaging also make a lot of sense. Another one is consistency. Does not necessarily mean post every day. Consistency means you can post once in a month and that's fine, once in a week and that's fine, even once in 3 months and that's fine. Hell no, that is very wrong. The reason is because as a small channel, and mind you, everything I'm talking about here is related to you being a small channel, because if you're a bigger channel, you have that chance to be doing those things. But as a small channel, you do not have a lot of data, or the algorithm does not have a lot of data on your channel to work with, to know what people to suggest your videos to, what your audience really are. So because of that, you'd have to post a lot of videos to feed the algorithm, and for the algorithm to be very sure that this is what your channel is really about, and this would be your audience, or the perfect audience to match you to. You get it? Yeah. So because of this, you have to post more consistently, like maybe 3 days interval, 4 days interval, if you can do it. If posting once every week is your strength, that you can also do it, that's very fine. But I just want to let you know that as a small creator, you should post more. I'm not saying post like 3 videos a day, no, that's too much. But at least maybe every 3 days or every 4 days, try and post something so that YouTube gets more information. You get it? So most of you are really listening to good advice though, but then you are doing things in a very wrong way. That is the reason why they are not helping you. So if you have listened to very, very good advice, like be consistent and all that, you think consistency is you posting once a month and doing it every time once in a month, so that's consistent, but you'll not be able to grow. You get it? So try and put in more effort. Another thing is sharing video links immediately after posting. It is very bad, and people share the links to random WhatsApp groups, random Telegram groups, random pages. Send it to random people to go and watch their videos, all because they want more videos, and it is very, very bad for your channel. Let me tell you, the reason is because now when you put those videos or those links in random groups and you get people clicking on them, they are not people that naturally like your content. Now, do not mistake my words. You might actually get people that will like your content, from clicking the link and then coming to watch your video, and then they are going. That's why, like I said in the previous point, that your video should even be very good in the first place, because when that happens, you gain a new subscriber. So your video should actually be very good. Now, you get people who click on that link, watch your video, and they are going to like it. You get it, and stay on it. But most of the time, as a small creator, people don't really know you that much. So someone clicks on that link, comes to watch on your video, and then just a few seconds they go back. It tells YouTube that a lot of people are not staying too long on your videos. Like, it hurts your YouTube retention, your video retention rate in your analytics. You get it? And these things are things that also hurt your channels, because let's say you post a video on TikTok, okay, let's say a short, and then you add your link, full video on YouTube. Now, people that watch TikTok or people that watch Reels are people that are wired that way, because human beings, our attention span are really short now. So I might be scrolling, I just want something quick to watch. After that, I scroll. Because when I come on YouTube to come and sit down and watch a 30-minute video, maybe at that moment I am not in that mood yet. I'm in the mood to, be scrolling and watching quick things that can make me laugh, and then maybe you send that link. Okay, let me try this link. You click on the link, they come and watch your video. It's too long. They come back. You get it? They don't finish watching your video, and it makes your retention rates dropping and all that. So it is not really good to be sharing your video links right after posting to people to come and watch your video, unless you have an email list and then you have people that actually are your subscribers that actually want to watch your channel, and then you are just sending these links to alert them that, oh, there's been a new upload, so if you want to check it out, you can go and check it out. That one, you are secure. But then just for the fact that you want views, so you start sharing your videos around just for people to watch, and it's really going to hurt your channel. And this is also niche relative. If you are in other niches, maybe if you are in the entertainment niche, it might be different for you, or if you're in the comedy niche, it might be different for you. And if they are shorts, it might be different, because shorts are not too long, so maybe the person might endure watching it. But then if it's a long video, it's going to be difficult. Now, there are also certain creators that will come here and tell you, turn on this setting and you get a whole lot of views. And then because you are so desperate as a small creator, you just look at it and you're like, wow, that's an opportunity. You look at it, you go and turn on the setting, and you're expecting results. And it doesn't happen for you, and all of a sudden you start to feel even more frustrated. Listen, just make very good videos, make good thumbnails, So just watch my video on video packaging. That is all you need. Just package your video well, make sure your content is very good enough. So yeah, some creators will just come to you and be like, turn on this setting, and you get some. Most of them are just scams, because you click on them just so they get more views for themselves, and they know young creators are desperate, so they'll come to you and then say click on it. Some of them, most of those settings are not even anything sensible, anything that's really going to add too much to you in the first place, but then because you are desperate, you listen to them and you do it, and you're expecting fast results. All that causes is just to make you more desperate and more frustrated as a creator, and it makes you guys give up very easily. You get it? Another bad advice is when creators tell you that tags are not important, the file names of the videos are not important, all these little things, choosing the category are not important, just make a very good video and you blow. Now, that might be actually right in a way, but for you as a small creator, you have to utilize every little chance you get to feed the algorithm a lot of data. You get it? So if you are posting a video, the video might be just a video about YouTube growth, or it's just a video about plants, but then you just want to give the algorithm a lot of info to make it know that this is really what the video is about, and this is the audience I want you to show them to. So by adding those tags and those keywords, you get it, it makes the algorithm analyze your video a little bit easier. You get it? Yes. And then also with the file names and all those things, just utilize any setting, because those settings are there for a reason. I mean, YouTube will just not create this whole interface and just put that there for no reason. You get it? Yeah. So just try it. Don't listen to those things. Just put in your tags, put in good descriptions, good title, good thumbnails and all that, and then just wait for the magic. It might take some time, but eventually everything is going to work out. Now, another bad advice I see people talk about is delete your old videos when they are not performing, or when they are not performing, just delete them, and then that's all, and then you are good to go. Or if you are trying to niche down, go and delete all your old videos. Now, while in a sense maybe it might be correct, because in a sense, like maybe in your video you said something too sensitive, or something explosive was showing in the video, or maybe you looked too cringe for your liking. Maybe to you it's not really something you want people to go and discover about you. That's fine, you can go ahead and delete the video. Now if you just want to niche down, you want to pivot, you can just go and unlist those videos. Okay, yeah. And also know that when you delete them, it also adds to your analytics, it adds to your data, it adds to your total number of views and all that. Okay, yeah. So if you know that you have maybe an issue or something like that, just unlist the videos, do not delete them. Thank you very much.